Hi everyone. So I'm going to draw a butterfly now, and I have gotten a brand new set of crayon twistables. So these are just very handy because they're easy to colour with and they've got a nice range of colours. So I thought a butterfly would be a really nice place to start with them. Okay, so first things first, I am going to draw my shapes up here. So I've got a circle, an oval, an irregular shape, triangle, rectangle, and a square. So I'm going to look at the butterfly first of all, and I can see that it's symmetrical, so all its parts are on all the same sides, and each kind of pattern sort of matches as well. So the most dominant shape that I'm seeing is sort of lots of ovals and kind of triangle-ish shapes and oval-ish shapes here. So because it's symmetrical, I am going to draw a little straight line in the middle of my page here. And I'm going to start with the body. So the butterfly's head, I can see, is a circle. Its body is a oval, about that size I'd say. It's a bit bigger than the head. And then its abdomen here, I am going to draw a long oval shape like that. Now I'm going to draw its wing. So first wing, I'm going to give I want to get the right size first before I do any sort of detail. So I'm going to try and get, I'd say about that size there would be a good size. And I'm going to try and match it on the other side too. So I'm going to use my pencil to measure that. So it's about that long, about there. Little marks on every side to kind of try and get both sides looking sort of the same. Because I'm doing this by eye, they're not gonna exactly be the same, but that's okay. Now, I would say that's pretty okay from here. Okay, now the butterfly is on a little flower, and I can see that there is two sort of petals poking out underneath the butterfly. So they're kind of oval shapes, or like they're an irregular shape, I guess, but using ovals all joined up, kind of like how I would draw a cloud. And then there's this kind of fluffy thing here underneath where the pollen is. Obviously that butterfly is hungry and is looking for some nice nectar. Okay, so there is the basic outline shape of my butterfly. I need to now look again now for details. So I'm going to start with the wing. I can see, I'm going to outline my wing shape, and maybe the wing that I see in front of me is a little bit more pointed like that. That is possibly a better shape, just looking again. I can see that the top wing and the bottom wing are not all the same part. I can see now that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 large orange shapes there. So I'm going to draw this one here first. 1. I can see that there's this big part here. 1. And then there's this part, and it's a bit of a wavy shape along there. And then there's this little tiny one there in the orange. Then there's these white shapes. So I can see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's all these 1, 2, 3, all these little small little white dots as well. this wing. So there's a large orange part there, one, and then there is another large orange shape there as well, two. And I can see that there's three sort of orange stripes together, one, two, and three. And two. And then there's the little white dots. Okay, so I need to do the same on this side then as well.